A custom ROM is like a new operating system for your Android phone. It replaces the software your phone came with, giving you more control and features. Think of your phone's original software as a pre-built house. It's functional, but might not have everything you want. A custom ROM is like building your own house from scratch. You can choose the layout, features, and design that suit you best. People install custom ROMs for many reasons. Some want the latest Android version even if their phone is old. Others want more control over their phone's look and feel. Custom ROMs can also improve performance and battery life. However, installing a custom ROM is an advanced procedure. It can void your warranty and even damage your phone if not done correctly. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, but proceed with caution. Before you begin, ensure you have everything you need. This will make the process smoother and safer. Firstly, check if your phone is compatible with custom ROMs. Not all phones are. You can usually find this information on online forums or the developer's website of the custom ROM you want to install. Next, back up your data. This is crucial as the process will erase everything on your phone. You'll need a computer with an internet connection. This is required to download the necessary files and tools. Lastly, charge your phone fully. A power outage during the process can damage your phone. Before making any changes to your phone's software, it's crucial to back up your data. This ensures that you don't lose your precious photos, contacts, and other important files. There are several ways to back up your Android device. You can use cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox, or connect your phone to your computer and manually copy the files. For important data like contacts and messages, use your phone's built-in backup feature. This typically involves going to the settings menu and finding the backup option. Remember to verify that your backup was successful. Try restoring a few files to ensure they are accessible. Unlocking the bootloader. Opening the door to customization. The bootloader is a program that runs before your phone's operating system. It verifies the system's integrity and decides whether to load the OS or not. Unlocking the bootloader is like removing the lock on your phone's software, allowing you to install custom software like custom ROMs. Remember to keep your ROM updated to benefit from the latest features and security patches. By following these steps, you've taken a leap into the world of Android customization. Enjoy the freedom and control that comes with running a custom ROM on your device.